guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Eid Mubarak, guys. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. So how was the Ramadan and everything? Hope you guys are coping. So if you're a new subscriber, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today we are going to be tying this very beautiful turban mixed with Ankara. So the first of all, I placed the raw silk from behind our head and bringing it forward, making a pleat as usual. This is a 50-50 part turban. As usual, I'm going to be making a pleat now, bringing it forward to making a V shaped in front of her head, and then bringing the other hand and place it on top of the first one I pleated. Can you see that? You want to make sure your pleats are secured, like your pleats are neat and all that. So I'm going to be bringing the other one up and then pleating that and placing it in a V shaped and then passing it to the opposite side. So can you see this? I just used a pin to hold that down, then I'll bring it back to the opposite side. Then using the Ankara she's using is a very small hair tie, so we are going to be twisting that, making it very thin, making sure it's thin. Can you see? I'm just going to be twisting this very well, and then I'll bring it from the back, and this is just to make sure the Ankara shows. Like, you want to make sure the pattern of the Ankara shows in the hair tie. If not, this hair tie is very small, like the Ankara is very small. It's not even up to a half yard. So yeah, then I'll bring up the raw silk. As you guys can see, I'll bring this up and then pin that down, and that's it, guys. I'm just going to make a ruffles with the remnants of the turban. So as far as the front of my turban is neat, the pleat is neat, and then my twist is neat, then I don't have any problem. So as you can see, this is how I tie my turban. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you guys are watching my videos, and I hope you guys are subscribed to my video. So if you want more of this, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Eid Mubarak, guys, and I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.